Hi, good day all traders. This video is here to enlighten you on how to download the pip trader onto your Mac MT4, your MT4 platform on your Mac device or on your iOS device. So this is how it should look after it has been downloaded. But first, what we would need to do to transfer the files from the pip trader document that will be given to you by Mr. Nelson onto the MT platform, MetaTrader 4 platform on your Mac, you would have to first close off this. But this is just a representation of how it should look once the files are transferred. So this is the files that will be given to you by Mr. Nelson. But first, what you need to do is click Finder. And this would come up here. And go into Applications. After you get Applications, you go into, this is my broker that I use. You right click. You go into Show Package Contents, you click Drive C, and then Program Files. And after which, you're clicking this here, MetaTrader 4, not necessarily it. And then what you would do is now, this is the pip trigger, that I would have gotten from Mr. Nelson. You would go into you'd have to go into Vantage FX Trader, and what you would be doing here is basically you would have to replace the two templates, the template and profile section of these, replace them with one another, and after that you would have to go into configure, and you would be taking the terminal.ini from the Vantage FX and putting it into here. After you do that, you're then going into, so templates and profile was moved, configure. You're then going into MQL4, you're going into experts, so you do that same thing here, MQL4 experts, and what you're doing here is you're adding these two experts here, and you're adding the trailing stop expert as well, because what you'd notice is originally you just get these 4 experts. After that, you would now look at the indicators, and what you're doing here, when you go into the indicators into this file, you'd notice it will have much more indicators than the Vantage FX. What you need to do is just take all these from the Vantage FX file and put them into this, so you get the indicators necessary to complete or to do the pip trader. After experts, you can come out again, and finally you'd have to, so history, templates, profile, tester, no, this isn't done anything. So this configure was done, where we added this, so that's 3 things done there. MQL, we did the experts, and we did the indicators, so that was it, and that's it.